Hello, and welcome to another edition of Boot Camp Success with Pam Sam. Hey, I want to make this quick video. This is our first video regarding our boot camp. So we want to teach you some things to help you jumpstart your business. And one of the main things is keeping track of deductions in your business. This particular deduction we're going to be talking about, the first one is mileage. Now, why mileage is important? The government gave a raise to business owners. It went from 54.5 cents per mile to 58 cents per mile driving your car. So I want to show you how to input that information into your cash flow manager. So let's get started. This is very quick, very easy. Okay. So we're going to go through several things, not on this particular video. We're going to just focus on mileage. Okay. So what you do, you open up your cash flow manager, which you can see in my screen. Here we go. Cash flow manager. Now, what you first get, these are all my businesses that I'm working right now. So we're going to go with my econ because that's what we're going to do. So you'll get this screen right here. And it's very simple. It's on your cell phone. Download this app to your cell phone. Okay, so that you can take your phone with you when you're driving your car and it'll track it for you. It's very simple. Just hit GPS track mileage. What'll pop up? You'll have a button that says start tracking, and you'll also have this beginning odometer. So when you first get into the business, you need to put in your odometer reading right here, and it's going to keep track of that. It's already popping up. So now you hit start tracking, and it says GPS tracking has started. Now I'm on my laptop right now, so we're not going to be able to get any kind of movement going, but this is just to show you how simple it is to start gaining some deductions in your business. So get this app, work with it, play with it. You won't mess it up, but the most important thing is to get started tracking.